Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Terraform for Redshift and Glue resources step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that you have Terraform installed on your machine. You can download the latest version of Terraform from the official website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt to set up your working directory. Create a new directory for your Terraform configuration files. Navigate into that directory using the command line. Next, you'll want to create a new file for your Terraform configuration. Name the file something intuitive, like main.tf. Now, let's specify the provider for AWS. Begin by adding the provider block for AWS in your configuration file. Set the region where you want to deploy your resources. Remember to configure your AWS credentials. Add a backend block if you want to store your state file remotely in S3. Next, define the AWS Redshift cluster resource. Include parameters such as the cluster identifier, node type, and number of nodes. Make sure to specify the master username and password. Once the Redshift cluster is defined, move on to configure the Glue resources. Start by defining a Glue database in your configuration. Set the name for the Glue database and specify any necessary configurations. Next, add a Glue crawler resource to your configuration. Set the crawler name and specify the Glue database target. Configure data sources for the crawler, such as S3 buckets. After that, define a Glue job resource. This will require specifying the job name, role, and script location. Now, make sure to set the type of job, such as Spark or Python shell. Next, validate your Terraform configuration files. Run the command terraform init to initialize your configuration. Then, use Terraform plan to see the changes that will be applied. Once you've reviewed the plan, apply the configuration with Terraform apply. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.